Okay, so good morning everyone. So hello guys. So today I am going to unbox my order, a Nokia X6, which is I ordered through online. So I just get from the post office. So now we are going to check the device. So buksan muna natin. Kaya X6. Natin kung ano yung laman. So, ipin natin. So, may kasama siyang adapter. So, here we go. Kung anong laman. Tabi mo na natin yun. So ito siya. So this is Nokia X6. So I ordered it through online. So tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. So 5.8 yung display niya. So we have Qualcomm. So buksan natin. Tip siya. Open na siya guys. Okay, so we have, so this is the Nokia X6 global version. So ito na siya. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung laman niya. So also included yung free na case. Ito yung daily case. Ito siya. And then, ano pa yung content nito? Tingnan natin. So, we have here the charger. Yung charger niya, Nokia. And the USB cord, which is Type-C na siya, no? So, ito lang yung content niya. Headset is not included. So, based doon sa pag-order natin, hindi po talaga kasama yung headset. So, may mga phone kasi nowadays na hindi po talaga included yung headset. But it's okay, it's fine. Okay. Now, check natin yung device. Tingnan natin yung mismong device. Gawin muna natin yung plastic. Okay. Okay. So, turn on natin. Okay. So, ito siya. Android 1. So, yung Nokia ngayon, Android na siya. Dual cam. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung content. So, this Nokia X6 is global version, which is 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. Pag sinabi nating gig of RAM, so yung random access memory. So we have here, tingnan natin, so palitan natin English, palitan natin language, United States. Okay, let's go. Connect mobile, skip, set up as new. Siguro skip na natin yung connecting, continue. Just a second. Date and time adjust if needed. Manila, January. Palitan natin date. Today is January 7, 2019. So, palitan natin ng January 7. Okay. Time is, tingnan natin, 11:41. It's 11:40. 42, 41, it's okay. Okay. Next. So, name. So, lagyan natin iyan. fingerprint. Saan ba ang fingerprint? Next. Set up. Okay. Fingerprint plus pattern. So, lagyan natin ng pattern. Next. Confirm. Fingerprint. Start. Tingnan natin. So, ayan, done. Agree. Oh, thanks. Let's go. So, ito na siya. So, maganda siya kasi yung size niya parang isang kamay lang talaga. Maliit siya eh. So, tingnan natin yung RAM. Yung ano niya. Yung specification. Importante din po na alam natin yung specification ng device kapag bumili tayo. So, we have here storage. Storage is 64 gig. Ayan po. Kita natin sa camera. Ayan. 64 gig yung internal niya. Tingnan natin yung random memory. Random access memory o yung RAM niya. Storage. So, nahanap ko yung storage niya. Display. About nahanap ko yung about phone eh. About phone Google system. Accessibility, hindi. So, hinahanap ko yung RAM niya kasi 6 GB RAM dapat. Battery niya is 3,000 mAh. RAM nito. About phone. Display, battery, sound, storage. Storage, wala siya dito. System, storage. System, user accounts, hindi rin. Android Auto, set up profile, set up security, restore transportation. About phone. Device name Nokia 6.1 Plus. Yung nakalagay. Android 8.0. 0.1 na pala siya. Kernel version, camera version. Hindi ko mahanap yung RAM niya. About device. Legal information. Status. Research. Dapat sa about phone na yun eh. Model, Android version, baseband, kernel, camera, firmware, touchpad. Status, battery, SM. Hindi ko mahanap yung ano. Yung RAM. So, maganda siya kasi manipis lang siya eh. So, yung ano nito specification niya 16 megapixel plus likod, then sa harap 16 megapixel, then may fingerprint siya. So maganda siya. Support system, display, camera. Hindi ko pa nakita. So camera, tingnan natin yung camera nito. Settings, may auto balancing pa na settings. Shutter sound bit, framework, resolution, yan. So makikita natin dito 16 MP. Yan.
On record ka?
16 yung ano niya, camera niya. So okay naman siya. Yung front camera niya, okay din.
Yung back?
16 megapixel din. So okay siya. So dito sa atin, walang ganitong version eh. Yung NOKIA 4 GB of RAM lang pagka dito ka bibili. Pagka bibili ka sa outside the Philippines, mayroon silang version ng 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage sa halagang 11,000. So dito ka na lang. So before 22,000 to eh. So nung nag-sale saka ako bumili. So that's all. So overall okay siya sa price niya. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive videos. So search for my YouTube channel Ian Chow and my Facebook fan page Ka-Adventure Mo Ian Chow.